Say, hey, I'm back.
Look at my back.
Hey everyone, my name is Kelly and I won the Quarantine Chef Challenge with my homemade chicken pot pie. And today I have my sidekick back. What's your name?
I'm Dylan.
Dylan. And we're gonna make our own version of hamburger helper. Ready?
Yeah.
We got this?
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Oh yeah. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty much sick of cooking. So I've been trying to do really easy one-pot dinners that use minimal dishes that still taste good and have some nutritional benefits for my little kitties. Just FYI, this is a kid's knife. He can't cut himself. Here, back home.
I can chop.
What? We're gonna cook off some of this bacon.
Yeah?
I just chopped it up a little bit. We're gonna put it in the pot.
I got the carrot.
Oh, great. The bacon is cooked. I'm gonna remove all but a tablespoon of this oil and then we'll saute the onions in that. So Dylan's gonna come back and show us how we cut a red bell pepper.
A real bell pepper?
Hey Dylan,
What?
do you like your vegetables? What's your favorite vegetable?
Apples.
That's a fruit. I have a hard time getting Dylan to eat vegetables, so I'm always trying to sneak them in where I can. For this dish, I'm choosing to use carrots and red bell peppers. They're both naturally sweet, so it will go really well with the base of the dish, which is tomatoes. We're doing it!
It's going inside.
And then we're gonna saute them with the onions and the carrots in that delicious bacon fat. Okay, we're just gonna grate in some garlic. Now our veggies are softened, so we're gonna add in 1 pound of lean ground beef. So just break it up with a spatula and cook it until it's browned and cooked through about 5 minutes. And of course, just season it with some salt. Now we're gonna add some what I call adult flavors, just to kind of elevate the dish a little bit so it still is something that me and my husband are excited about, but we know the kids will still eat it. So the first thing I'm gonna add is smoked paprika. The next adult flavor I'm adding is double concentrated tomato paste and let it cook for like 3 to 5 minutes until it starts to turn into a dark red color. It's gonna give it a really intense tomatoey flavor and have really nice umami notes. We're adding a can of petite diced tomatoes with some beef stock, some whole milk. Wow.
So many milk.
1 pound of any shape of pasta you like. This smells so good. If you had any herbs, you could also add them. Thyme would be great in this. We're gonna garnish it with parsley later, but feel free to, experiment and see what works for you.
Can I mix, please?
Want to stir it up? Okay. Good. Oh, okay. Good job. So this is at a low boil. I'm just gonna cover it and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring every 3 to 4 minutes just to make sure nothing is getting burnt on the bottom. The sauce looks so velvety and creamy and rich and delicious. As the pasta cooked, the starches release and it helped thicken our sauce. Okay, let's add the cheese. I turned off the heat as we're adding the cheese, and we're just gonna let the residual heat melt it, and then we'll serve it up.
Can I stir, Mom? I want to stir.
You wanna stir?
Yeah. Yes.
Hey Dylan, I love you. What'd you say?
I love that.
Okay, all the cheese is melted. It's looking velvety, it's looking creamy, it's looking delicious. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this bacon, this reserved bacon, stir that in, and then I will serve it up to the boys and see what they think. Literally, it tastes 10 times better than the box version. It's smoky, it's creamy, it's cheesy, the noodles are perfectly al dente. This is a home run.
I like it.
Was it delicious?
Yeah.
Can you give me a thumbs up? Is that your thumbs up? Alright guys, well that is how you make my 1-pot homemade hamburger helper. It was easy, it came together in under 30 minutes. The kids are eating it, we're happy about it, and that's all that matters. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like us to make, just comment below, and you can follow me on Instagram at KellyMPage.
Make it bendy. We're starting with bacon.
What do green vegetables do for you?
It makes me healthy and strong.
Healthy and strong.
Yeah.
Show me your muscle. See those guys? Do you want to show them another toy?
Yeah.
All right, go get another toy to show your new friends.
These are not red.
Okay, let's taste it. I look like I don't like it, but that's just my face.
Oh, Yes!